In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add reviews to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to boost credibility and engage visitors by showcasing customer feedback directly on your site. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start, head over to Common Ninja's website. Common Ninja offers a variety of widgets that can be easily integrated into your Squarespace site, providing a wonderful way to display reviews seamlessly. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Widgets Plus. Clicking here will take you to a page where you can start exploring different widget options. Next, you need to search for review widgets. In the search bar provided, simply type the word Reviews. This will refine the available options to those that are related specifically to reviews and testimonies, allowing for an efficient browsing experience. Among the results, you will find the All-in-One Reviews widget. Click on this option to move forward. After selecting the All-in-One Reviews widget, you'll see a prompt to create one. Click on Create an All-in-One Reviews to start building your custom widget. This step will guide you into the editor where you will have the opportunity to tailor the widget to your site's needs. Once you're satisfied with the customization, it's time to make it live. Click on the Publish button to enable your design to be seen publicly. With that done, save your newly created widget by selecting Save Widget. Then, choose a folder where you would like this widget to be stored. This helps in keeping your widgets organized, especially if you create multiple widgets for other uses as well. Be sure to click Save Changes so that all your adjustments are locked in and secured. Now comes the time to implement this widget into your Squarespace site. Click on the option to Copy Code. This will copy the embed code needed to integrate your review widget. Head over to your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you'd like to add the review section. You will want to add block to this page. Look for the Embed option, then click Edit. Here, select Code Snippet, and you'll be prompted to enter data. Click on Embed Data, and when prompted, you'll paste the code you previously copied from Common Ninja. This is how your widget becomes part of your Squarespace experience. Once that's complete, click Add Code to ensure it's done correctly. Finally, the very last and crucial step requires you to save all the changes. Click on the Save button, and there you have it. Your reviews are now an integral part of your Squarespace site. This not only enriches the visitor experience, but also adds a layer of trust and reliability to your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building!